Hi, here's Bartek and I'm your cleaning expert. Today we are on one of the property for the cleaning. Our job today is to give the right price for the customer. In this movie, I want to show you exactly how to quotation the property before cleaning for the customer. This is very often a question from our clients. So I want to show you step by step what to looking and give the right price for the customer. So we are on the property, we come into the kitchen. You can see here exactly hob, oven, how's look, how it's dirty. It's not too bad basically, but you can still see the marks, as well a lot of grease. You can see the grease on top, so this is something what you need to do when you're planning to do the cleaning. Kitchen shelf, kitchen units, you can see how's this inside. You can have a look at the sink. If it's any limescale, you need to have a look yourself to do the cleaning by remove the limescale. Doors, remember to do the doors. This is more important as well. Of course, front of the kitchen shelf, and the lights, and the door frames. Like you see, is a lot of grease, lot of dust from long time. Remember radiators, like I said before, and the mirrors. On this property we have to do as well the carpets, so the carpets will be planning as well to wash on the almost final stage. Remember skirting boards, that must be done. And as with the business, we don't clean the windows, so from our job will be only do the frames and the glass, window seal, and then a pull for the curtain. So that will be our job. Of course, the lights, you can see a lot of dust. We come into the next room, which is toilets, bathroom. You can see as well here limescale, so something what we need to clean, and vents that should be clean. And again, from here you can see how is building limescale, how is building, how we're using, someone using incorrect chemicals, because you can see probably was, I guess, Harpic or something strong. Here is not too bad, so you can see carpet still. Small bedroom, again the same, skirting boards, any cobwebs, any dust. Boiler room, I would say, as well, dust. Doors, radiators, and I guess this is the last one room, so it's the living room. You can see here blinds which is actually damaged. This is good to report that straight away to the agency or to the customer where from you took the key, to make sure you don't charge for that. That will be charged someone who actually lived here before, who rented the property. So that's it. You can see what you're looking. Of course, any switch off lights, switch on off lights, sockets, that must be done. That movie will help you to find what you need to looking before you give the quotation. Enjoy your day. Bartek, your cleaning expert. Thanks. Bye.